Hello, I'm Dr. Randy Johns with Elevation Health, and I'm a co-founder of Elevation Health. We have 22 offices all over North America, and our vision is very simple. We want to help impact as many families as we possibly can in a healthy and a positive way. And we do that through our Elevation Health Core 4 delivery healthcare system. Now, I've had the opportunity to work with over 14,000 patients, and all these years of working with patients, what I have found to be true is that if you can get to the cause of their health problem and not just merely treat the symptom, you can help them really get lasting change. Not just feeling better, but really correcting the problem, helping them heal and function and be at their full potential. So I want to talk to you today about one of the things I work with a lot with our patients are what we see walking through our door, which are patients diagnosed with high blood pressure. Now, high blood pressure, millions of Americans are diagnosed all over the country every day with blood pressure problems. And of course, you go to your doctor, and more than likely they're going to write you, a prescription for a blood pressure medication. And of course, you take that blood pressure medication. Will it lower your blood pressure? Yes, it will. However, it doesn't fix the cause, and I can prove it. If you were to stop taking your blood pressure medication, what's going to go right back up? Exactly, the blood pressure. So we really want to get to the why you're having the problem to begin with. Now, there was an interesting study done back in March of 2008 from the University of Chicago, and they published the study in Journal of Human Hypertension. What the study did was they correlated and tested individuals who had upper neck subluxations that were putting pressure directly onto their brainstem, causing their blood pressure to elevate. And so they did a double-blind controlled placebo study, a double-blind placebo study, which is the gold standard in research, and the patients who had their neck adjusted and the C1 bone corrected by a chiropractor saw a significant reduction in their blood pressure. In fact, the researchers and the doctors, they couldn't even believe it. They said that the chiropractic adjustment was working better or just as good as 2 blood pressure medications combined. Of course, the adjustment didn't have any side effects. So what the beauties of getting to the cause of a problem and helping your body heal naturally are there's no side effects except feeling better, looking better, and functioning better, which is always a great clinical outcome. Now, I want to read you a testimonial that I received from one of my patients. His name is Robert, and Robert's been a patient for many years, and he sent this email to me, and he told me I could share this with you guys here on YouTube, and I want you to hear what he did going through our program. Now, Robert, when he came to see me, he was very obese, on a ton of medication, not sleeping well. Your brainstem controls heart rate, breathing rate, metabolic rate, and of course, blood pressure. It's the one area that you don't want to have any damage or subluxation. So when Robert came into our clinic, we were able to assess him, find the areas of damage, and put him on a corrective program chiropractically along with our lifestyle program. So here's what Robert had to say. He goes, I began to make changes that had a major and life-changing impact. In the beginning, when I started, I was 300 plus pounds, slept with a CPAP machine, and on 4 medications being told it would only get worse. My traditional doctors meant well, which I know they did, but gave me no instruction on how to change this. I no longer now sleep with a CPAP machine, and I sleep better than I ever can remember. I don't take any prescription or over-the-counter medications. My blood pressure is down 40 points. Are you hearing this? 40-point reduction in blood pressure, no medication. Also, Robert says, I've lost over 60 pounds and I feel better and have more energy than I did in my 20s. Now, Robert is in his 40s, so he is literally turning back the clock with his health. So if you want to know how to get results like Robert's, I want to encourage you to check us out at Elevation Health Texarkana at 3325 Richmond Road, just north of I-30. You can go to our website at texarkana.elevationhealth.com, or you can give us a call, 903-223 8776 to speak with one of our advocates in our clinic about how to get an appointment and how to learn more about our wellness program. I want you to feel the difference Elevation Health can make in your life. Have an awesome day.